Have you ever found yourself needing to open a new bank account and get a credit card, but dreading the process? Wondering just how long it's really going to take? If you're looking at BMO or Bank of Montreal for your banking needs, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the timelines and processes involved in opening an account and applying for a MasterCard with BMO, so you can walk in or log on fully prepared. So, let's break it down, starting with the foundation, opening a bank account. Opening a bank account at BMO, speed and convenience. BMO offers several convenient ways to open a new bank account, each with its own estimated time frame. The good news is, for most personal checking and savings accounts, the initial application process can be surprisingly quick. 1. Online account opening, the fastest route. If speed is your priority and you're comfortable with digital processes, opening a BMO account online is often your best bet. BMO explicitly states that you can open an account online in as little as 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, 5 minutes. This quick turnaround applies to popular accounts like the BMO Smart Advantage Checking and BMO Smart Money Checking. What makes it so fast? The online application is designed for efficiency. You'll typically need to provide personal information, identification, funding information. Once your online application is submitted and approved, which can happen almost instantly for many, you can often register for BMO digital banking right away. This means you can start managing your new account, setting up bill payments, and transferring money digitally very quickly. However, there's a slight waiting period for your physical debit card. BMO generally sends your new debit card by mail within a few business days. So, while the account is open and accessible digitally almost immediately, having the physical card in hand will take a bit longer. 2. In-branch account opening, personalized service. For those who prefer face-to-face interaction or have more complex banking needs, opening an account at a BMO branch is a solid option. While it might take a little longer than the online method, it offers the advantage of immediate assistance from a banking specialist. What you'll need to bring to a branch. 2 forms of identification, at least one should be government issued, like a driver's license or passport. Social Security number, SSN, or ITIN. Proof of address, a utility bill or lease agreement might be requested if your ID doesn't show your current address. Initial deposit, be prepared to make your initial deposit to fund the account. 3. Opening by phone, a hybrid approach. BMO also provides the option to open an account over the phone. This can be a good middle ground if you want guidance but can't make it to a branch. The exact duration for a phone application can vary, but it's likely comparable to an in-branch visit in terms of conversation time, with the debit card still being mailed to you. Applying for a MasterCard at BMO, the credit card journey. Once your bank account is established, or even concurrently, you might be interested in applying for a BMO MasterCard. This is a separate process with its own set of approval criteria and timelines. 1. The application process, what to expect. Applying for a BMO MasterCard can be done online or in a branch, similar to opening a bank account. Online application, many BMO MasterCard applications can be completed online. This is generally the quickest way to submit your information. You'll typically be asked for personal details, name, address, date of birth, SSN. Financial information, employment status, monthly income, and sources, details of any other credit cards or debts. Banking details, your BMO account information if you're an existing customer. Identity verification, BMO may use instant verification methods, potentially asking you to take a photo of your ID and a selfie. In-branch application, if you prefer, you can apply for a MasterCard at a BMO branch. A banking representative can guide you through the different MasterCard options and assist with the application form. 2. Approval time, from minutes to weeks. Factors that can influence approval time include completeness of your application. Missing or incorrect information will undoubtedly cause delays. Document verification. If BMO needs to verify supporting documents, this can add to the timeline. Credit history. A strong credit score and healthy credit history can often lead to faster approvals. Internal bank processes. Each bank has its own procedures and processing queues. 3. Card delivery. The final wait. Once your MasterCard application is approved, the clock starts ticking on receiving your physical card. So, how long does it take to open an account and apply for a MasterCard at BMO? The answer is, it depends, but it can be surprisingly fast. For opening a bank account, you can have it set up digitally in as little as 5 minutes online, with your debit card arriving by mail within a few business days. If you go to a branch, the process might take about 30 minutes, and you'll get your debit card on the spot. When it comes to applying for a MasterCard, an online application can sometimes yield an instant, conditional approval, but generally, expect a decision within 5 to 7 business days. The physical card typically arrives by mail within 7 to 10 business days after approval. Factors like the completeness of your application, your credit history, and whether you're an existing customer can all influence these timelines. By understanding these processes and preparing in advance, you can navigate opening a BMO account and getting a MasterCard with confidence and efficiency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.